What's up, guys? Braptastic here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you my dirt bike. I have another channel called Black Ops 112. If you want to check that channel out, go ahead. I already showed you guys the bike on that channel, but that was the blue bike that I was riding on that channel. On this channel, Braptastic, I ride this red bike. I got loaded up because I'm going to hashtag motocross track. Not the one in Colorado, but the one here in Farmington. I'm going to that. And right now, I got my Honda XR100R. And if you guys don't know this, I am sponsored by EVs. And see, I'm sponsored by EVs and 100%. I'm sponsored by both of those right now. So, yeah. I'm not sure if oh, real scary. Because like what this trailer is it does this. It falls backwards. And when I get off, boom, right forward. That gate's heavy. So yeah, I got that all situated. It's tightened pretty good. But yeah, I am sponsored by EVs and 100%. I got my 100% goggles inside, my EVs chest protector inside. Let's see if I can make it go down again. Yeah. And I get off. Magic. All you gotta do is pull really hard and that thing will swing right open. So it sucks. So yeah, I'm sponsored by EVs, 100%. I'll do a video to show you my 100% goggles. So if you guys enjoy this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay dirty, my friends.